This is Arjit Chaudhary from BMC Software. RBAC Manager is a workspace that is used to manage users, roles and authorizations. In this video, we will look at some of the functionalities of RBAC Manager. In order to access the RBAC folder, you must log in as a user, that is a member of RBAC Admins role. RBAC Admins is a generic user created when BSA is installed. RBAC Manager manages the security-oriented objects in BSA, which includes ACL policy, ACL templates, authorization profiles, authorizations, automation principles, LDAP synchronization, roles, and users. Managing access control through RBAC Manager can be an easy task, and it can also be very complicated. After the initial implementation of BSA, the basic administration is carried out by BL admins and RBAC admins role, and fully privileged roles are created for each operating system such as Win admins or Unix admins. The first security object in the list is ACL policy. ACL policy lets you manage a group of authorizations in a single location that will automatically apply to multiple system objects. Time windows is an ACL policy feature that designates the frequency, start time, duration and permissions for providing time-based access to an object. ACL templates, on the other hand, is a set of authorizations that are not associated with any system objects. ACL template entries grant permissions to a role based on individual system or command authorizations or an authorization profile. The best part about it is it can help to create complex ACLs which can be used repeatedly. Next, we have authorization profiles, which is a group of system and command authorizations. Grouping authorizations into authorization profiles is an easy way to assign complex set of permissions to one or more roles. Authorizations allow us to set up system and command authorizations. System authorizations refers to specific actions such as server.modify. If the role does not have that authorization, it will never be able to perform that function. With automation principles, we can define a user credential that can be used for accessing external systems. The most common use of automation principle is Windows user mapping, a process that maps an RBAC role to a local or domain user on a managed server. LDAP synchronization helps us synchronize an RBAC user database with an LDAP-based user registry. In order to synchronize an RBAC user database, you need to create an LDAP connection and an LDAP query to run queries on the LDAP registry. Roles define a set of authorizations that reflects the responsibility of an organization's entity, such as QA engineers, application developers, or web administrators. It specifies the relationship between a user, the application server, and the RSCD agents. BSA provides predefined role definitions that you can use as a template when you need to create your own roles. When you're creating a role, you must assign the correct authorizations so the user that is assuming that role can perform the required action. With users, we create a user profile by setting up a user account. Through user account, an individual can access BSA console. If you want to know more about how do we play around these security objects in BSA, do let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.